Is right now the perfect time to buy ARM holdings? And where could the price be going next? Those are the questions I'm going to be answering in this video. And to answer the first question, is right now the perfect time to buy? We're going to be using this Fibonacci retracement tool. So looking at the price, we can see that from around these lows, price went up to this high before we started seeing this retracement. So if we draw the Fibonacci tool from this low up to this high, we get something that looks like this. And the way this works is in the stock market, when prices start retracing, they tend to find support at one of these Fibonacci levels. We can see that ARM Holdings has found support at these levels multiple times in the past, and more recently it has been finding support around this area. This dark green area is known as the golden zone, and it's usually where stock prices find the strongest support. So based on this, what are some areas where you might want to consider entering this stock? The first level is going to be around here. This is $117. And the level below this is going to be around here. This is $100. So an entry strategy that could be worth considering is getting in around the higher Fibonacci level and dollar cost averaging at the lower level if the price continues to retrace down. So that's the entry side of things. However, getting a good entry is only the first step. It's equally important to have an exit strategy in place. And we can get an exit strategy by using this Fibonacci extension tool. But before we dive into that, you might be wondering whether I'm currently holding the ARM Holdings stock or if I'm planning to invest in it. And the answer is the large majority of my portfolio is built around a strategy that tracks trades made by US politicians. This is because investing alongside key politicians is the most profitable strategy I've found in the stock market. Over the years, it has delivered returns that blow every other strategy completely out of the water, so I mostly only invest when key politicians are involved. If you are curious about how I do this and how you can do it too, I put together a free video explaining how I find the most profitable stocks, and I also go through the returns of this strategy over the past 3 years. The link to this video is in the description below, so feel free to check it out if you're interested. Coming back to the Fibonacci extension tool, if we do something similar to before, going from these lows up to this high, and this time if we pull the tool down to where this retracement has ended, we get something that looks like this. And the way this works is these levels on the Fibonacci tend to act as resistance for the price. And knowing this, investors using this tool like to lock in some of their profits at these levels, which puts them in a good position to buy back at a discount if the price retraces. So what are some areas where you might want to consider taking some profits? The first area is going to be around here. This is $168. The level above this is around here. This is $185. And the third level is $208. So looking in some profits as the price climbs up to these levels could be an exit strategy you might want to consider. I will be making update videos as the price gets to these key levels, so if you would like to stay up to date, consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you found this video helpful, consider hitting the like button as that helps out the channel a lot. It's also worth mentioning I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Please make sure you do your own research and your own analysis before you make any investment decisions. That brings us to the end of the video. If you would like to learn how to profit like a politician, the link to the free video explaining everything is in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.